Do you often experience knee, shoulder, or back pain? Joint pain can be felt in just one joint in the body or several joints at the same time. This is because a joint is an area where two or more bones come together. For this reason, joint pain can occur at any time and affect the back, shoulders, arms, wrists, legs, and ankles. As a result, they may inadvertently restrict some movements that have an impact on the person's quality of life. Joint pain can have many different causes and can be a symptom of bone injuries or diseases, such as arthrosis, arthritis, tendinitis, and bursitis. However, one of the most common causes of joint pain is inflammation. When the tissues around a joint become inflamed, they can put pressure on the joints, leading to pain and stiffness. In some cases, inflammation can also damage the joint itself, causing long-term damage. There are many different ways to treat joint pain, depending on the underlying cause. In this video, we'll teach you how to make a homemade rosemary and bay leaf balm that can assist with joint discomfort, bone pain, and cartilage issues. But why rosemary and bay leaf? Rosemary contains carnosol and carnosic acid, two excellent anti-inflammatories and relaxants. They work by inhibiting inflammation in the body as well as stimulating blood circulation. They also have analgesic properties, helping to relieve muscular pain, rheumatism, arthrosis, and arthritis. Bay leaf contains eugenol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and anti-rheumatic action, helping to relieve muscle pain. This balm has a strong anti-inflammatory effect, aiding in the relief of joint pain. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chopped bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, fresh or dried, 200 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. How to prepare and use. Wash the rosemary well, put it in a pan, and add the chopped bay leaves and the olive oil. Then cook in a water bath for 30 minutes, stirring from time to time. Let it rest for 20 minutes, strain all the contents, and store in a sterilized glass jar with a lid. Apply to sore spots every night before bed. You can also use it on your legs to prevent varicose veins, as it stimulates blood circulation in the area. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.